German Shepherd care mistakes every owner must avoid. The German Shepherd is one of the most popular and recognizable dog breeds in the world. Known for their intelligence, loyalty, and protective nature, these dogs make wonderful companions, family pets, and working dogs. However, despite their popularity, many owners unknowingly make mistakes in caring for them. Unfortunately, these mistakes can affect the health, happiness, and lifespan of your German Shepherd. If you are a proud GSD owner, or thinking about becoming one important to know what not to do. In this article, we'll cover the top German Shepherd care mistakes you must avoid to ensure your dog lives a long, happy, and healthy life. 1. Not providing enough exercise. German Shepherds are a high-energy working breed. They were originally bred for herding and protection, which means they need plenty of physical and mental stimulation. The mistake. Many owners underestimate just how much activity a German Shepherd requires. Short walks around the block are not enough. Why it's a problem. Without proper exercise, GSDs can become bored, anxious, and even destructive. Chewing, barking, and digging are common signs of frustration. The solution: at least 1 to 2 hours of exercise daily. Walks, playtime, or structured activities. Mental stimulation through puzzle toys, obedience training, or agility work. Off-leash time in safe fenced areas whenever possible. 2. Ignoring proper training. German Shepherds are highly intelligent and eager to learn, but their strength and size mean they can quickly become unmanageable if not trained properly. The mistake: delaying or skipping obedience training. Some owners assume their GSD will grow out of bad habits, but the opposite is true. Why it's a problem. A poorly trained German Shepherd may develop aggressive tendencies, fear-based reactions, or dominant behaviors. The solution: start training early, ideally as a puppy. Use positive reinforcement methods, praise, treats, and toys. Teach basic commands like sit, stay, heel, and recall. Enroll in obedience classes if needed. 3. Neglecting socialization. German Shepherds are naturally protective. While this trait makes them excellent guard dogs, poor socialization can lead to fearfulness or aggression. The mistake: keeping your German Shepherd isolated or not introducing them to new people, animals, and environments. Why it's a problem. An unsocialized GSD may react aggressively or nervously in unfamiliar situations, making outings stressful for both dog and owner. The solution: expose your dog to different people, sounds, and environments from a young age. Arrange safe playdates with other dogs. Reward.com, confident behavior during new experiences. 4. Overfeeding and poor diet. German Shepherds are prone to weight gain if overfed or given the wrong diet. The mistake: free feeding, leaving food out all day, or giving too many table scraps. Why it's a problem. Excess weight stresses the joints and can lead to health issues like hip dysplasia, arthritis, and diabetes. The solution: feed high-quality dog food specifically formulated for large breeds. Stick to recommended portion sizes based on age, weight, and activity level. Limit treats to training rewards, not extra meals. 5. Ignoring grooming needs. Despite their short to medium coat, German Shepherds shed heavily. The mistake: many owners think GSDs don't need much grooming, so they skip brushing. Why it's a problem. Excessive shedding leads to mats, skin irritation, and fur all over your house. It can also hide early signs of skin problems. The solution: brush your German Shepherd 2 to 3 times per week daily during shedding season. Bathe only as needed. Overbathing can dry out their skin. Trim nails, clean ears, and brush teeth regularly. 6. Lack of regular vet checkups. German Shepherds are prone to certain genetic conditions, including hip and elbow dysplasia, digestive issues, and degenerative myelopathy. The mistake: only taking your GSD to the vet when they're visibly sick. Why it's a problem. Many health conditions develop slowly and may not show symptoms until it's too late. The solution: schedule annual vet checkups more frequent for seniors. Stay up to date on vaccinations, flea tick prevention, and heartworm protection. Consider hip and joint supplements early in life. 7. Not providing mental stimulation. A German Shepherd's intelligence is both a blessing and a challenge. The mistake: only focusing on physical exercise while ignoring mental challenges. Why it's a problem. A bored German Shepherd may develop destructive habits, separation anxiety, or compulsive behaviors. The solution: provide interactive toys and puzzles. Teach new tricks regularly. Engage in activities like scent work, agility, or obedience competitions. 8. Using harsh training methods. Some owners mistakenly believe German Shepherds require tough or dominant handling because of their strength. The mistake: using punishment, yelling, or physical corrections to enforce rules. Why it's a problem. Harsh methods damage trust, increase fear, and may lead to aggression. The solution: stick to positive reinforcement, reward good behavior instead of punishing bad. Use consistency and patience. If struggling, work with a professional trainer who specializes in GSDs. 9. Not giving enough space. German Shepherds are large, active dogs that don't do well in cramped spaces. The mistake: keeping them confined indoors for long periods without exercise. Why it's a problem. Lack of space leads to frustration, destructive behavior, and stress. The solution: provide a safe yard or access to parks. Schedule daily walks and playtime. Ensure they have room indoors to move comfortably. 10. Neglecting emotional needs. German Shepherds are deeply loyal and thrive on human companionship. The mistake: leaving them alone for long hours every day. Why it's a problem. Loneliness can cause separation, anxiety, excessive barking, or depression. The solution: spend quality time with your dog daily. Provide toys or puzzles for solo play when you're away. Consider doggy daycare or a trusted pet sitter if you work long hours. Final thoughts. German Shepherds are extraordinary dogs, loyal, intelligent, and protective. But owning one comes with responsibility. The most common mistakes owners make often come from underestimating the breed's physical, mental, and emotional needs. By avoiding these pitfalls, lack of exercise, poor training, neglecting grooming, and ignoring health, you can ensure your German Shepherd lives a happy, well-balanced life. Remember, your GSD doesn't just need food and shelter. They need guidance, love, and partnership. When cared for properly, your German Shepherd will reward you with unmatched loyalty and companionship for years to come.